We have arrived at Micro Center.
What's going on, guys? It's me, Bolthawk, and I'm here with. Today we're here at Micro Center, and we're just gonna go look around for the CPU that he needs. Oh, look, they got the Stream Deck over here. This is the new one that just came out. We got the headphones over here. Oh man, he needs headphones. They got the razors over here. Should I? Let's do it. Wait, how much you get it for? Because it's on sale.
At Best Buy?
Yeah.
They were more than that.
Wow, look at that chat. Come over to Micro Center. Yeah, we're looking for the CPUs.
This PC is 1,900, but I have better DDR5
yeah.
Ryzen.
And that's how they want to get you. Because, I mean, yeah, I get it. They already built it. But look at that CPU cooler. This is something you would need. Oh, we got the RAM over here. AG, look.
Jeez. I got 64 gigs.
Yeah, for 350. That's crazy. Yo.
Yeah. Or 9900 period. And you have 50 extra equals if you're gaming and streaming at the same time.
That's what I would be doing. Yeah.
Then that's the best way to go. Are you getting a bundle or just a CPU?
What we really need is just the case, AIO cooler.
Oh. That's perfect for it.
The AIO. This one. Is that an air cooler?
I was looking at this one too. I was gonna mention this one.
What do you think is best to pull that CPU down?
This one.
That one.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
Man, prices have caused things to kind of slow down a little bit.
Do you think a white cooler would be cooler?
A what?
A white cooler? Like a white case?
Yes. I told you to get a white one. It was awesome, bro. Chat, look at this. We're at Micro Center. They got some nice PC cases over here. Look at this, chat. What in the world? Look at this. I've never seen that kind. They gotta clean that though. Intel? Ugh. ASUS? ASUS is good. Gigabyte? Ugh. Damn. What's going on, guys?
We just came back from Micro Center. We got a nice little case here. Eddie, tell them what we got.
All right, over here, as you can see, we got the 3500 series Corsair case. It's a nice, beautiful white. Ready? We're gonna unbox it in 3, 2, 1.
All right, so now we got the case out of the box. It looks freaking amazing. Hold on.
Ooh, chat.
My gosh, chat. This thing is huge, I feel like.
Smells like a brand new case. You know that smell when you like buy a brand new car?
Yeah, exactly.
That's what it literally. So next, we got the motherboard. For the motherboard, we got the B650
Plus.
Yeah, we're gonna ready? 3, 2, 1.
Here we got the B650 Plus from ASUS Gaming. Let's see how this goes. I mean, it doesn't have no Wi-Fi.
No Wi-Fi card,
no
but that's fine.
That's fine. I use Ethernet anyway. Fastest internet.
Yo,
look at the new motherboard.
Hey, so over here, what do we got next?
Should I pull something out that's very expensive in this economy right now?
Let's do it. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
DDR5 RAM, 64 gigabytes, 6,400.
God damn, bro. Like 64 gigs is insane, bro.
Chat.
People go for like 32, 16 for gaming and streaming. But 64, we're about to be doing some crazy, insane videos. So stay tuned.
Grab the next thing. What are we thinking next?
Let's do the graphics card. Ready? 3, 2, 1. What? The 5070 Ti, bro. What are you talking about,
the
Overio?
Gaming Trio Overclocked Edition. You know I'm mad excited. Mad hype.
I'm actually excited to open this one up. We're just going to do a nice, little, slow montage.
Alright, holy,
damn, bro.
The freaking case is reflecting at me.
Look at the background. I know.
Chill, chat. Don't come at me. It's not done yet. It's a work in progress.
The cable management looks like a fucking jungle, bro. I think yeah. Wait. Yeah. Oh. Ooh, AG, do the honors. Oh, it's because that's a big ass. What? Oh my god, it's like the size of a nugget.
Oh, what are you
Take
talking
it out
about,
the seal.
man?
Take it out the seal.
Yo, I think I might have gloves upstairs. I'm gonna check.
I really don't like how you're holding that with like one hand, yo. Jesus, bro. Do not take off the plastic seals. Oh, actually, we are.
Oh my gosh. I've seen YouTube videos of this, chat. I think they were not over exaggerating how big this is. I was under.
Imagine the 5090.
That shit might take up a lot of space.
What's going on, Gigabytes? We're back. The GoPro was yo. We're gonna tell the chat real quick. That GoPro got really hot.
Eddie's hands might have been literally on fire.
Yo,
chat.
I was like,
Hot potato on the freaking camera there. Did unbox it so you guys could see it here. This thing is beastie. Make sure the fan gets out safely. Okay, chat. So
that was a struggle.
Yeah, that was a struggle.
Ooh. Yo, when I was a little kid, bro, I was always curious, bro. Oh shit. Wow. And we clearly saw do not eat.
But what if we did, chat?
What if we did? I like how they're white.
What do you mean by that?
Look at that. It's that giga power.
But what the hell, boy?
Did I break it?
We still good, chat.
Pray to God on that one.
You're wondering why the Grey Goose is there? It's because it was the PC power.
That gives it its superpowers.
But what
You
the
get
hell,
200
boy?
frames more. I think we got one more thing, right?
Oh,
The thing that just gives it power, right?
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
All right, chat. Got the full build here. Power supply here with the 850 watts. We got speed playing in the background here.
My speed. We're not promoting you though, gang.
We got the bottle of Grey Goose, like Bullhawk pointed out earlier, that we're gonna put inside the case. This is the superpower of
Yeah,
the
it gives
build.
it 200 frames more.
We got our 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM here. We have our crosshair cooler here. That's gonna cool down the chat. That's in there. That's gonna be in the video. Saved by Bullhawk. All right, chat. But we have the AMD Ryzen 9950
This is the
X3D. The mother that almost just died right now. Crosshair fans that go along with this.
The brains.
GPU right here, the 570 Ti. Our motherboard, the BE650 Plus from ASUS.
B650.
Yeah.
It's a really nice motherboard. I like this motherboard because like other motherboards, they don't indicate stuff like this.
Beautiful choice by Bullhawk here. Told me I was gonna go with a black case, guys. I would have been wrong. This is so much better. I can't wait to put this all together.
All right, chat.
It's not gonna be me. Mostly it'll be Bullhawk. I'm gonna shout him out. Get me monetized, chat, so I can pay Bullhawk back.
Please, chat. If you guys enjoyed this video, subscribe.
Eddie's just setting up Bullhawk is just setting up the workstation now.
It's gonna be a lot of work, chat. So I gotta lock in. I might take a shot. I think this is magnetized. Yeah, it is.
Bullhawk's got the power supply in there. Just looking for some wires now for all the power supplies. Let me give them the motherboard, Bullhawk, and we box the DDR5 RAM as well. That's what we're looking at right now, chat. Getting there, gigabyte.
Gigabyte. Do not buy the Gigabyte. If you see Gigabyte right here, do not buy.
Yo, we got to show you guys. We're going to show you the other GPU I had. You would be like, damn, this is the guy she tells you not to worry about versus...
Wait, hold up. Let's show him real quick. Look at this one.
All right, chat. There's this one, right? Show. Damn, nice, sexy, you know. Shit, bro. They tell you, yeah, no, you're good, bro. Hey, but the old setup got me through the trenches. Okay, chat. Now we're going to put in the 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM right now.
There we go. There we go. Okay, now the hard.
The powerful.
Bro.
It's more powerful than the GPU I actually have. Would this be your first time applying a...
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
The highest I ever done was the 7, bro. Yo, the people over there, chat, they did not let go of this, bro.
Deadass. They handed some guy the Ryzen 7, no problem. We said, chat, you get it up front. Chat, this is my first time looking at a Ryzen myself.
Oh, wow, no pins.
What does that mean?
New tech.
Shit, new tech.
Okay.
Jeez.
I'm gonna need a light.
Chat, he's got the CPU in there. We're gonna use some of the crosshairs. No pace. Eddie's gonna let me do the honors of closing it, Bohawk. So shout out. So just put this down here.
Yep. Make sure it goes like. And then keep going, and then bend it a bit so it goes under that curve right here. And that's locked in there. Locked in.
Shout out Bohawk, my main man.
3.5. They're gonna lowball you. Don't go low. Let me lock in. I'm gonna go to Papito Manny. What's going on, chat? So I just finished putting the last little fan right there. I know the cable management doesn't look that great right now. Just gonna
make sure it runs for check. All right. You want to do the honors?
No, I kind of want you to do the honors, yo.
Are you ready? Together.
All right, you do that one. I'll do this one.
Tell me when to go.
Go. No! Oh no, the fan! Turn her off. The video explicitly states.
So.
And it just goes to a solid green light straight away. That means either it cannot initialize.
What's going on, chat? It's currently like 5:30 in the morning.
Yeah, so build that we said was gonna take until like 1 a.m.
Like 1 in the morning. It's about to be 6 in the morning. But look, she's up and running, operating system and everything.
Windows 10 started running, but now we're updating it
to Windows 11.
We didn't even need the USB drive. I'm so fucking confused right now.
But it's working. It's flashing.
Yo, and it's looking good, chat. We put this together and make gigabytes. I hope y'all stayed posted. The build looks tough. Shout out Bohawk.
I'm tired, yo.
He's got work tomorrow.
Yeah, bro, I got work in 2 hours, bro. Come on, you think he's gonna go to bed right now? Yo, you're gonna go to bed like at 5 o'clock when I'm coming back from work. I'm be like, yo, AG.
Yeah.
Yo.
Like, yo, I can. Yo, you want to install the other? Oh yeah, yo, gang. The other RAM. I'll be honest. I installed it at 3 o'clock. I'm sleeping.